Hello guys, this is how to turn on or turn off subtitles, also known as captions, on your Google TV Streamer 4K. Now the process is quite simple. You just want to head over to the settings icon at the top right corner of your Google TV Streamer 4K. Then click on the settings. You want to scroll down continuously until you get to accessibilities over here. Select that, and then you want to scroll down continuously until you get to captions over here. Go ahead and select that as well. Click on the select button to enable display and turn on subtitles or captions on your Google TV Streamer 4K. If you scroll down also, you can actually change the language, the text size of the captions. You can also change the background text, how you want it to look. You can actually just customize it from over here. And also to turn it off from the top again, just make sure you select on the display and captions or subtitles will be turned off for your Google TV Streamer 4K. Once you're done, you want to exit from this option and you're good to go. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel.